Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up Aeotec Wi-Fi Range Extender. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the Aeotec Range Extender boosts your home Wi-Fi or Z-Wave network by repeating the existing wireless signal and extending coverage to weak signal areas. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First of all, plug the Aeotec Range Extender into a wall socket midway between your router and the weak signal area. Avoid metal objects, thick walls, and appliances like microwaves. Make sure the LED turns on, usually blinking or solid depending on model. This helps the extender receive a good signal for stable performance. On the router, find WPS label or 2-arrow icon. On many routers it's a physical button, on some it's a software button, and the router web interface physical is easiest. Press the router's WPS button once, or press hold for 2 seconds if the manual says so. You should see a WPS LED start to blink, or the router's UI will indicate WPS is active. WPS mode stays open for a short window. You must press the extender's WPS within this window. Go to the Aeotec extender. Press the WPS/reset button, small button on side or front. The LED indicators will change. Blinking quickly means searching for router. Connecting phase takes 10 to 40 seconds. When paired successfully, the LED will show solid green or solid blue. Different Aeotec models vary, but these colors are standard across the range. After pressing WPS on both devices, wait 30 to 60 seconds. The extender will automatically store your Wi-Fi password and connect. No manual login is needed. When finished, LED becomes solid, means connected. Extender begins boosting signal instantly. After connection, unplug the extender and move it to a better spot if needed. Your Aeotec Range Extender is now fully set up using WPS. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.